In this experiment, we're going to test different foods to see which is a sugar and which is a starch. And as you can see here, starches are sugars that are linked together. That's how plants store energy. Plants make sugars in the form of glucose, and then they link them together to make a starch. So the way that we are going to test all these foods to see if they are starches or sugars is we're going to use an iodine mixture. Now, iodine will turn black or purple in the presence of starches. It will stay brown if the material is not a starch. Okay, let's test a potato. This is a baked potato. I'm going to take some iodine in the dropper. I'm going to put a few drops on it. You can see at first it is brown. But I can see that areas where it is already soaked in, it is turning black. See right there? Definitely. This indicates that a potato has starch in it, which again is sugars that are linked together. Okay, now I have some sugar, regular granulated sugar. I'm going to put some drops of iodine on the sugar, and you can see it soaks in. And let's see if there's a color change. Looks like no color change, so therefore sugar is not a starch, which makes sense because starches are sugars that are linked together. Okay, now let's try pieces of a saltine cracker. Oh yeah. Definitely turning black, especially in the center piece. This shows you that saltine crackers have starch, which makes sense because they have ground up wheat, as in wheat flour, and wheat flour definitely has starch in it. All right, let's try oatmeal. This is regular oatmeal. Let's put some drops of iodine on there. Oh, instantly turning black. You can definitely see that. So oatmeal, which is a grain made from oats, and oats definitely have starch or sugars that are linked together inside of it. And for our last one, let's try some brown rice. Probably it would work exactly the same for white rice. Yeah, it's definitely turning black. Yeah, for sure. So that indicates that brown rice also has starch in it, which again, starches are sugars that are linked together.